Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Through Stories. Today's story is The Lion and the Mouse, and we'll explore some kindness vocabulary together. Let's begin. One day, a mighty lion was sleeping in the forest. A little mouse ran over his paw. The lion woke up, angry, and caught the mouse. The mouse squeaked. "Please, let me go. Someday I may help you." The lion laughed. "You? Help me? You are so small." But he was kind, and he let the mouse go. Later, hunters trapped the lion in a net. The mouse heard his roar and ran to help. She nibbled the ropes until the lion was free. The lion said, "Thank you, little friend. I see now that even small creatures can be kind and helpful." Let's learn some kindness vocabulary from this story. Kindness, being friendly and helpful. Compassion, caring about someone's feelings. Generosity, giving or sharing with others. Mercy, forgiving instead of punishing. Gratitude, feeling thankful. Helpfulness, giving support when someone needs it. Now, let's practice. Repeat after me. Kindness. Compassion. Generosity. Mercy. Gratitude. Helpfulness. Can you make a sentence with one of these words? For example, kindness makes the world a better place. That's the end of our story, The Lion and the Mouse. Remember, even the smallest act of kindness can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Learn English Through Stories. See you next time.